There's also the contradictory information problem, where this also, linked to this data being unstructured and all over the place. So typical examples of this were the cases that were recorded while clinicians used the EPIC sepsis model. So this is just an AI tool that was created to detect sepsis, which is just a fancy word of describing your immune system attacking you. So your immune system just destroying your healthy tissues or destroying your organs as a result of it suspecting that there might be an infection somewhere in your body, right? So what happened was that they considered two different scenarios where the model was actually used. So in the first scenario, the clinic had a structured way of recording their data. So for infections, for example, they had a really standard way of recording all this type of stuff. And of course, when they trained the AI with this structured data, the AI predicted a lot better. It actually improved the detection rate in that particular clinic. But when they took it to another clinic where the data was a bit structured, they didn't have really standard way of doing things. For example, for the infection case, in one side of the system, they triggered the code infection when the doctor suspects that the patient has sepsis, for example. And in that same system, they also had cases where they triggered the code infection after lab results have been analyzed. So this makes the AI really confused because it doesn't know what is true. Is it what the doctor is saying, or is it a result after the lab results have been analyzed? So the ground truth basically has become really different over here. And of course, when they trained this AI on this particular unstructured type of data, the AI gave really bad results.